Today I have another Jordan Essentials box sent free for review. Jordan Essential products are bath and body, oils, and wellness such as magnesium, mineral makeup, and more. It's all about beauty and wellness. Jordan Essentials contain beneficial minerals from the soil known to relieve, replenish, and refresh. They bathe and bless our entire body. It's $29 per month for the subscription, which can be canceled anytime, but they do have a special for the holidays where you can get a 3-month or a 6-month subscription. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this box that I have received. It always comes in this white and blue floral, and this one is marked November. So the products here are only available for November, and all of the information will be in the description if you are interested in any of the products or a November subscription box. This is what it looks like, and on top is the invoice, which that was free for me. It was sent free for review. It's just what it would have cost. And then we have this card here: treasure the moment, celebrate the gift. Life is worth celebrating, believe, trust, cherish, honor, etc. And then we have on the back, enjoy a little pampering with exclusive scents of the season. Sugar, cookie, cranberry, orange. Smells really good. And a little information on the products that are in there. So I'm excited to get into these products. So let's go ahead and take one out. Okay, so this is cranberry and orange Dead Sea Salt with magnesium. It's a magnesium soak. It contains 21 minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which are vital to overall health and well-being. Pour half tube under running water, dissolve, and soak. This looks so nice. I'm debating if I should open it up to smell it or if I would gift it. Okay, so the next item is cranberry and orange room and body spray with magnesium. Doesn't that sound nice? So you can spray and uplift your mood and your holiday spirit while providing you with the beneficial magnesium. This festive and bright scent to fresh up a room, car, or spritz yourself with it. Okay, that's really nice. Okay, so it has leaf juice, witch hazel, glycerin, citric acid. Oh, I bet it smells amazing. Okay, and so the next one is the sugar cookie shea butter with magnesium lotion. Oh, doesn't that sound nice? These are all Jordan Essentials. It says apply to very dry skin on hands, feet, or elbows. All right. And the last and the fourth item is another Dead Sea Salt with magnesium soak, and this one is sugar cookie. So this one is the same as the lotion scent, the sugar cookie. It also contains 21 minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which are vital to overall health and well-being. Oh my goodness, does that smell good? Look at that. Oh, it's just really, oh my heavens, yes. I'm gonna smell like a cookie tonight. I gotta go ahead and get into all this stuff. Okay, so that was the sugar cookie. Now let's go ahead and try the cranberry orange. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, yes. That one smells really good too. I'm not sure that I've ever had a Dead Sea Salts with these scents like this before. Man, those are smell really nice. And then the spritz. Okay, so this is the cranberry orange spray. And then the lotion. Definitely need to try this lotion. And the spritz, of course. It'd be really nice just to, I would consider like just spray it in the basement or something like that every now and then. Give it a nice fresh scent. I'm going to go ahead and open up this sugar cookie shea butter with magnesium lotion. It has a safety seal. All right. Took a minute there. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, yeah, it feels really good. Very moisturizing. Yep. It was like a sugar cookie. I love it, though. It's not too strong. It's actually just right. You know, it's not like you're going to walk into a room and light up the room like a sugar cookie. Smells good. Feels great. So the rep, her name is Sarah Maughan. gave me her personal link, so all of the information about the products you can find through clicking on the links that are in the description. And you can always just shop by buying one thing, or you can go with, of course, the monthly subscription for $29, but you can cancel that at any time as well. They have a wide variety of products. This is just what it would have cost $30 if I had paid for it. This is just an invoice that she had sent. But they have a lot to choose from. They even have makeup. So if it's anything you're interested in, just go ahead and check out the information in the description. And thanks so much for watching. See you in the next.